Oh, Tulini Festival is celebrated. It's a very popular festival celebrated by
Sumi.
Sumi tribe.
Bikacha. Nagamonla favorite Bikacha. Bumbuza.
Hi everyone, welcome to a special mukbang celebrating Tulini Festival. Today we have a special spread of pork with akhuni. We have yam with
Atsna.
atsna. I don't know what we call in English.
And we have
Smashed and
local chili, green chili, the big one.
yeah. Also we have some local lemon and those are also local cucumbers. Please enjoy with us.
Chalo, let's pray. Amen. Share. Chalo, I can't wait to eat. Let's start. Today's Tulini special.
Yeah.
Ma muzara kawa jita. First bite.
Happy Tulini to all Asumi friends. Tulini lo kibi peta peskum telo zani.
Tulini la festival de mando. Government san man dangor maned. To sorry. Kaina di kaidwa.
Berbal na.
Solid. This chili is all the way from Surmi village. Nalam na? Local chili.
Pareil chua. Berbal. Nah.
Bumbuza.
Oh, yummy.
So good. We have a local lemon as well. So good.
We added this fresh Szechuan pepper and this curry, and it's giving more aroma and more texture, no?
Bumbuza. Tuli ni khilai gini.
Well, Tulini Festival is celebrated. It's a very popular festival celebrated by
Sumi.
Sumi tribe.
इसका मज़ा कुछ और ही अलग है बहुत मस्ती
Hope you all are enjoying at home, Sumi friends.
맛은 병아 알도 아우 시그몰라 first class very good combo no
Perfect. They are made for each other.
Bikachai Nagamonla favorite Bikacha Muza Hawaii marase mamuza barba banaina se mujindo so good
Mojindo dada lagore nase.
hoy
Dada hanra bawat khalaise. Makshu ke.
Muza in los kamera mugi majisya Madu tik tak khada ja You want lemon? चलो मजा करो This is life, huh?
Mojindo.
Drink. So guys, mojindo ho jese aro mojindo balcony ba bahar ba khase de bitore dark no honim de na to sunlight bright thakibo nimide to hawa bi maraise to hawala sound bishi capture guna thakibo pare so please excuse for that.
Okay, so we are done. Hope you all enjoyed as much as we did. Once again, happy Tulini to all our Sumi friends. Tulini like you better be second slow tiny. And if you are new to our channel, please do like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for all the notifications. Bye bye. See you in the next video.
God bless you all. Bye.